Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
You better fucking believe it.
Believe it or not.
Oh, yeah. You guys already know.
We are corona'd out, guys.
We're in quarantine.
What's up, everybody? My name is Parker Ament.
My name is Danny Ferrari.
And we are Excellent Sound.
We are live.
We are live, coming to you from Danny's apartment.
The new studio.
Brand new studio.
We're fucking subtle flex, by the way. Lysol spray. Yeah.
This
try to get
video
that
is
on the
brought
web.
to you by Lysol and Doritos
and this generic brand of hand sanitizer
and Purell.
Also, oh yeah, by the way, just in case, paper towels, dude.
Brawl. Oh, Bounty.
Yeah, dude, the good shit, bro. None of that
Brawl.
fake generic bullshit.
Of that bullshit. As you guys know, LA is on lockdown right now, as is most of the United States and the world. So you know, we had to actually close the studio down for a couple weeks. We don't really know when it's going to reopen. We don't know when any of the stores are going to open.
Yeah,
but
shit's fucked.
shit is a little crazy right now, but we're keeping some high spirits, and we're coming at you guys.
Yeah, hopefully you guys are quarantined at home and enjoying this. This is for you guys. We wanted to have, I mean, it's for us too. We want to be able to have at least somewhat of normalcy as we're wearing masks and gloves.
And toilet paper.
But yeah, this whole fucking thing has been really gnarly, and I'm sure some people are affected out there. Fortunately, you and I are good, and I don't know anybody that has it.
Yeah, I don't know either, luckily.
Yeah.
But, I mean, we're staying safe. We're trying to tell everybody, you know, just stay at home, try to quarantine yourself.
Produce music,
stay as productive, or, you know, just be safe. Just be at home, not, you know, doing anything crazy.
Yeah, which, by the way, we got some special stuff to talk about a little bit later in the video about how we're going to be helping you guys with being able to produce at home, because I know a lot of you guys are stuck at home. But it's a great time to make music, a great time to learn how to make some stuff. So let's fucking get into it, bro.
Let's do it. So today we are doing the one and only Habstrakt, his new single, Free. I think they came out a couple days ago. A lot of really cool stuff going on in this track. And we're actually going to tell you guys, if you want to get these sounds, if you want to get these drum sounds and all the Serum presets and stuff like that, we're going to actually tell you where to get it in a little bit.
Ow, fuck.
But let's take... Oh,
Sorry.
Jesus Christ, getting hurt all over the place.
But we got the free download in the description down below.
Yes, we're going to be giving away this sound right here, this buzzsaw.
Whew.
That's a heavy guy right there. Super sick for bass house and, you know, all of the above.
Yeah, and you could pretty much do this with any DAW too. So, I mean, the rack will be in the description below too as well. But if you're in FL, we'll kind of explain, I guess, what you could use.
Yeah, I think we got to learn some FL stock stuff, dude.
Yeah, dude.
But
shout out if you guys want to see some FL.
I just love Ableton, man. It's the shit. So check out these cool drums. We got some really nice house, heavy kick,
woo,
nice side snare going, and then we got some other zipper sounds. Really nice. Got some fucking... And, of course, the coronavirus, the Cardi B.
The remix.
But, yeah, let's jump into this, guys. So, first, we're going to want to start with an initialized Serum preset. And we're going to start with oscillator A. We're going to go to basic shapes. And we're going to turn this guy to a saw. Saw. And we're going to do the same for oscillator B. And then we're gonna go back to oscillator A, and we're gonna turn the unison up to 7 voices. Sevs, and the same for oscillator B. And then before we do anything else, we're gonna turn the level all the way down on these guys, and we're gonna create this first LFO. So what we're gonna want to make is kind of like a skateboard ramp, if you will, like this. Nice ramp up. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna put it on trigger, and we're gonna keep it on quarter notes. And let's get some sound going actually first. So let's put the LFO on the The levels, we're going to want to put it to about 56. And we're going to do the same for the oscillator B2. And let's hear that. We're so reverb. Our voices are so reverby in here. It's so crazy. Up. Awesome. Okay, so next, before we get to the filter, let's add a little sub. And we're going to keep that on sine wave. We're going to pull the level all the way down on that. We're going to throw the LFO up, and that's going to go all the way up. Let's hear that.
Oh, yeah.
Just to give it some body. And then we're gonna add a little bit of noise, guys. Just a little teens. Throw the LFO on the level. We're going to pull that all the way down, and we're going to pull that to just like right about here. Sounded pretty good. Sounded pretty juicy. Now let's go to the filter now, and we're gonna add just the MG Low 12 standard, and we're gonna put the cutoff to 854. Real slow. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna throw the LFO on that guy, and we're gonna turn it up all the way.
Nice.
And we're gonna also send everything to this filter. Sounds really coming together now.
Mm-hmm.
Getting a nice real shape. And then before we go to the effects, we're going to put the sub to direct out so it's not affected by the effects that we're about to put on. And I think that is it for this page.
We got to get some detunage.
Oh, yeah, a little
bit
bit of
detune.
detune. All right, so we're going to dial this guy back to about
0.2
sevs. Yeah, right there.
This guy.
Really hard. I'm going to take these gloves off.
No, dude, you're going to get fucking coronavirus,
Dude,
bro.
I think we're safe in your new house.
You think so?
I think so. And then we're going to put the detune. We're going to put down like
That one's fine.
the detune, and then we're going to do the same to this one.
That one's
They're
good.
essentially the same fucking shapes.
Now, this one's got to go down a little bit.
Down?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, this one's going to be a little bit more focused, and then we'll put the blend to about 30%. So we could hear that main wave more than all the other ones. And then on this guy, we're going to dial this back so we could hear that main wave a little bit more directional. Yeah, to about 48.
Nice.
Cool. All right, so now we're going to go to the effects. I already preloaded it up just to make it quicker for you guys. The first thing first is we're going to add a hyperdimension. We're going to put the mix down to 13%, and this is going to really spread it out. And size all the way down. So it's a little subtle, but it adds a lot of like stereo movement into the sound, which is really nice. And then everybody's favorite, multiband compress. That really activates the sound.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we're going to put the threshold to minus 12.4, ratio 4:1, attack 90 milliseconds, and release 90 milliseconds, and the gain is going to be up 6 dB. I always do like levels of like 3 dB and 6 dB if I know that I want something louder.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Keep it even. It just makes me feel good because I know that if you're up +6, it's like half the volume. So
It's all about feeling good right now.
yeah. And then lastly, we're going to put a filter on. It's going to be the high 12. The cutoff's going to be at 60 hertz. The Rezz is all the way down. Drive is all the way down. Fat is all the way down. That really, really shapes the sound really, really nice. So let's hear that in the mix now.
Sounded pretty good.
Yeah, it sounded pretty good. But we're not going to stop there. We got a ton of processing that we want to show you guys. But before we get to that, here is the time that you all have been waiting for.
Yeah. You guys want the rest of the sounds?
You guys want all these sounds? You guys want these drum
this
samples?
project file?
You guys want the Serum presets?
You can have it.
You can have it, guys. If you didn't want to pay attention to anything that I was just saying, you just want to download the whole project file, you guys can by joining our YouTube tier on Patreon.
Woo!
There it is, guys. We have no sound effects today.
No sound effects. Yeah, I can't reach.
Sadly. But yes, if you go on to our Patreon and you become a YouTube tier patron, you can actually get this project file as much as well as like all. How many do we have?
If you're part of the YouTube tier, you get the monthly project files. But if you're watching this video past a month, then they're already gone. They've already been moved up to the legacy tier. So if you want to get this project file and you want to just go ahead and get the month's worth of project files, go join the YouTube tier. But what we recommend is joining the legacy tier, which has access to over 60 project files, all the Serum presets, all the racks, all the samples, all organized and labeled very nicely. And of course, the project files themselves. We recommend doing that, the legacy tier.
That's our favorite tier for sure.
Yeah, because it's just you have access, so you can just go through and pick whatever you want. But
you get the whole collection.
Yeah, and nothing gets removed, essentially. But the YouTube tier, we have to remove it every month. So
it starts over on the first.
Every month we take one down. So yeah, check out that one as well as the VIP too if you want to get your own exclusive presets made by us and an extra two fucking project files. And also we're doing requests too. So some of you VIPs that watch, I'd made a post. If you guys want us to do a request for a project file for just the VIP tier, let us know in the Patreon. But yeah, go check it out. Link is in the description below.
Yeah,
really, I love the way my voice sounds.
Yeah, I know. You're just louder.
I sound great.
You sound amazing right now.
Why do I sound so
like
good?
A fucking reverb chamber.
You're in the fucking what is it called?
I'm in the tunnel.
The standing wave. I sound great. I sound like a radio person over here. Thank you.
But yeah, dude, we have a really cool community on Patreon right now. A lot of people talk to each other. They share music.
Feedback.
So really cool. Yeah, we have a feedback tier. So go check that out if you haven't. As you guys know, the studio is closed. So if you guys want to support us and get some really cool stuff, go on Patreon. That's
helps us out.
That's the best way to help us out.
And another way you can help yourself out is by getting our newest pack called MID-TEMPS. There it is. If you like this style of music, especially these type of basses, you can definitely get it in MID-TEMPS. It's got over 600 samples and 120 Serum presets, guys. 120 Serum presets, all there for you guys. And it's one of our best packs. You can check out the demo. And if you just want to make house, don't worry, we got that for you too. In your house.
Bam,
one of our our newest packs, also in our on our website. And if you don't have, if you're trying not to buy anything right now, we understand. We are going to be sending out some starter packs, just like a couple samples for you guys, a couple free sample packs, but you got to be on the email list. But definitely, if you're home and you need to produce, buy some new sounds, help you inspire, or get some free stuff on our website, whatever you want.
Yeah, we're going to drop the link to join our email list down below, and we're going to be sending you a really special free pack.
Yeah.
So
join up.
Be on the lookout for that. Let's jump back in, guys. So on to the post-processing. We got a lot of cool stuff going on here. First off is our favorite, bass roundup. So
gotta have it.
Really nice preset that you can just check out right over here. It's in the amp section, bass roundup. We put it on dual, so it turns it into more of a stereo sound. So without, and then we turn the treble up and dry wets all the way up. And then after that, we did an erosion with a nice wide Q noise.
And if you don't have erosion, with this, you could just layer it with a noise sample, or you can use texture.
Yeah, you can use texture, you can use trash.
A bunch of stuff.
If you just pick a really nice distortion plugin and try to find like a good preset where it's like a thin, nice like high layer, works really nice. Erosion we put on just 3 kilohertz. And then next after that, we did a redux, and we put it on soft downsample. So that does a lot.
A lot of sizzle.
Yeah, the bit reduction, we turn that on and we put it to 2. Really fattens up that sound. And then classic OTT gain comped. And that really just pushes it over the top.
She's getting real loud.
Yeah, we expanded the bass, we expanded the highs, and then the mids just a little bit. And if you guys don't know, you guys can just click this and drag it up and down.
It's my favorite thing to do.
Yeah, and then we pulled the time down to about 500%, and that gets rid of all of the decay transients. And then after the OTT, we added a pre-EQ to get rid of all of that like extra noise that the bass roundup and all the erosion stuff. If you wanted to hear that, let's see if we could hear it. So all of that stuff that you don't even want, we're getting rid of it. So there's that, and then after that, we have the utility, and we're just widening her up. Just 40%. And then we top it off with the saturator just on soft clip right here. And you could hear it does catch all of those little transients. really fattens it up. It sounds like a compressor.
Yeah, it sounds like it's limiting it.
Yeah,
essentially.
it's limiting it with the soft clip, but it really squashes it and controls all of those like little like hairy fucking things that are coming out.
Little extra hairs.
Yeah, dude. And then lastly, we actually automated. We made like a little volume shaper macro over here, and we just automated the gain on the utility, and we could show you that right here. Lots and lots of automation. But we just
like a
made
side chain.
Yeah, it's essentially a side chain. You could do this with just utility. You could draw it in all the time. But we made it into a macro for you guys.
And the reason why we did that too is because all the extra stuff that's coming in, because it's already doing it with the LFO, but once you start adding a bunch of different effects, you kind of lose the swell that we're trying to achieve with this. So putting a utility on at the very end is a really good idea to be able to kind of bring that back, and then just kind of drawing in your own side chain.
Yeah, and it's like when you're designing sounds and you go to your Serum effects, you always have to, if you're adding a sweeping filter around, you want to always add it again to clean it up.
Yeah.
And that's about it, guys. Let's listen to how it came out.
Oh, wait, turn that bad boy on, dude. Get that utilts on.
Oh, the utilts isn't on?
Oh, let's get the utilts.
Oh, here, let's hear it.
Yeah. Yeah. And if you guys want to see a video about side chaining, let us know in the description below. We're going to do some different videos while we're going through this whole thing with you guys. So you guys want to see, we're going to do some different type of content. You guys want to see, I think we're going to do a video on like how to make growls and probably the neuro-based video too you guys have been asking for. So stay tuned for that and let us know in the description down below.
Yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of different kinds of videos for you guys. So we're excited about that. So let's listen to it now in the mix.
Woo!
Killer, dude.
Sounds
awesome.
great, bro.
Sounds awesome, guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys had a good time staying at home in your pajamas with us.
Being safe.
Yeah, staying safe. But yeah, we had a good time. We're going to keep giving you guys our Wednesday videos. They might be late, they might be early, but we're doing it.
We're coming.
We're trying to work for you guys and bring you guys the best content we can with what we have. So if you guys like this video, drop a comment, drop a like, and tell your friends to sub up.
Yeah, and if you're not subscribed, like Parker's saying, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's go ahead and play this bad boy out. Oh yeah, mid-temps in your house. Don't forget, if you guys need in your quarantine, you need some mid-temps in your house. If you're fucking in bed, you got nothing to do, you want to make some music, go pick up these packs. Definitely recommend doing it to be inspired.
Inspiration.
Pick up some inspiration. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Wash your hands.